So I just want to do a quick disclaimer. This video, I'm going to a place that's very real. Gamarra is a very real market. It's very big, it's a lot of action. And that's what this channel is all about. This channel is all about tourists, travelers who want a more real experience. They want a more adventurous experience. And I'm not saying anyone should or should not go to any of these places. That is completely up to you. That is your choice. That being said, there's a few things that I do all the time to mitigate my own risk and make sure that I'm not a target. Number one, fanny pack. Number one, I wear mine like this. You want it in front of you. You want it in front of you. It's harder to just yank off of someone than money in your pocket. Number two, do not carry debit or credit cards. Leave them in your room. Do not bring them. You're not going to use them. Bring cash. I recommend about 200 soles. You're going to have a lot of fun, and then you're not risking losing a bunch of cash if something bad happens. Your phone. Keep your phone in the fanny pack at all times. Especially if you have an iPhone. iPhones are so obvious. It's exactly what people are looking for to steal, and do not risk it. Don't be video chatting with your friends and taking tons of photos and stuff. If you want to take some photos, make sure you are ready to put that thing right back away, and that you're risking having it stolen, basically. Dress normal. This one is super important. Just wear t-shirt, wear sweatpants, wear shorts, tennis shoes. Just dress normal. Just try to blend in. You don't want to have expensive jewelry, you don't want to have expensive watches, because these things make you stand out very much. Take a taxi. Take a taxi. The bus and the train, it's great if you know Lima really well. It's very confusing if you don't. Do not go after sunset. Daytime only. If you just follow these little steps I just gave, then you're already so far ahead of most people. So, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna go to the main entrance. I'm gonna cross the street right here. It's a little crazy, but this is half the fun here. Here we go. It's a moderate crowd today.
En remate, 289, dos para cualquier modelito. Aprovechen las ofertas. Para caballeros, damas.
Here we got actual mall. Gamarra.
Ahí puedes reclamar. Así chicas. Adelante, bienvenida, te estamos esperando acá, te estamos esperando.
Y prendas de vestir para damas. Vamos al segundo piso con la marca Top Book y accesorios camisas y accesorios para hombres. Visítanos en Peru.
So I gotta go meet my friend here. Hey, whoa. Hey.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Buenas casacas, buenos joggers, buenas poleras, buenas zapatillas de la talla 40 a la 43. Así que asegura tu prenda con nosotros.
Cerca al gran aeropuerto de Chancay.
Muchachos, pasen los pantalones de cargo. Sobra que todas casacas, a ver, pasen. mejores masajes, con las mejores comidas.
Caliente.
Up ahead, super crowded. This is good. It's a good day. Brian, ponlo, camiseta y jumpas. Terminamos en otro lado. Not so many people now. Chilling out. That middle part's crazy. Real crazy. Oye. So, this is the other end. It took me, it's about 15 minutes walking really fast from end to end. Here we are. The end of the line. Right here. We got this chief of place. Go inside.
Las ganas. Estamos saliendo en vivo. No, eso para su TikTok.
Vamos a la marca Carriar. Buenas tardes, ¿qué tal?
Vamos a tragar y te vamos a enfrentar a Cristiano.
Expect it to be dirty. ¿Qué tal?
Buena, buena, zapatilla, háblame.
Sí, sí. Es obvio.
Para Patri.
We're here. The mall. Centro Comercial. Ciao, ciao. It just keeps going. It just keeps on going. There's not enough time to film everything. So that's this place. This is pretty good. Gracias. Okay, this is basically the end here. You don't want to go much further. It gets pretty dangerous. There's some really good food right here though. We got Juanes. Cecina. Gracias.
Hola, Carmen.
El pasaje, 2 por 100 más 5 y 3 por 15 promoción.
my bus. It's been fun. I'm signing out.